Hi, I'm Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to take a look at the eufy SoloCam E42 2-cam kit, and eufy sent us these for the review. So these things are pretty nice. They're 4K cameras and they're PTZ, which I really like. All right, so here we go. 2 cameras. And what's really nice is this kit comes with a HomeBase S380, which can hold up to 16 terabytes of data if you have the right disk drive. And we have some sort of an accessory kit here. And look at that, 2 solar panels. I really like the design of this camera because the way it works is, let me take this off here. You take that off and you can hook up the solar panel, and they make it so if you can look at the top, if you look at the top of the unit, you put this little mount in there and then you can mount the solar panel right on the camera, which is really nice. Or you can mount it with a long cord in case your sunshine is not where the camera is. Home base, 2 cameras, 2 solar panels, 1 for each camera, stickers and manuals, power adapter, Ethernet cord. So you can actually hook these up directly to power, and then you can actually run 24/7 recording to the home base if you want. The mounting brackets, bunch of screws. All right, for both cameras. 2 mounts to hook up the solar panels. More screws and mounting. Almost lost a few screws in a reset pin. Don't lose those. Okay, now I have everything. All right. So what's nice about these mounting brackets is that they either can be mounted on the camera. So if you look at the way this is, you can mount on the camera and then you can hook up your solar panel, or you can put these in the wall and mount the solar panel that way. So these fit in just like this, and away you go. So very easy to use, very easy to set up. And I really like these because they're PTZ. And now that they're 4K, it's even better because you're going to get some great images. It also does AI tracking, so it will track the object and everything else. And you can record to the S380 home base. So these cameras work either, I can hook this up to our router directly with the eufy app and just use them that way, or I can hook them up through the S380, which I really like because it has its own Wi-Fi. So therefore, I'm not necessarily using up the Wi-Fi on the home network. So one thing about this is that it comes with some storage already built in with basically an SD card kind of thing built in, but you can also pull out this little device here, take out this little guy here, get yourself a hard disk drive you can plug in here and just plug it back in. And you'll have, because you can get these things up to, hard drives up to 16 terabytes. I ended up using an SSD instead because it's faster and cooler. All right, so that's kind of what you can do with this. The other thing that happens when you have the S380 is that you can actually, if you set up the cameras through the home base, you can actually turn on HomeKit and actually access the cameras using HomeKit. Just keep in mind that HomeKit has limits on the resolution. All right, so let's go give it a try and see how it all works. We installed the 2 eufy SoloCam E42s to the HomeBase 380, though you can set them up standalone. Adding the cameras is easy. Just follow the app instructions. We find it best to have the camera near the home base. Press Add, select Battery Camera, and then SoloCam E42. Select Pair with home base or router for standalone use. Pairing is easy. Scan the QR code and press the sync button on the camera. Once it pairs, you can install it where you plan to use it. What is nice about having 2 cameras is they can work in tandem. As you see, we have one mounted gate side pointing towards the gate, and the other on our backyard arbor, also pointed towards the gate path. Where you point them will depend on your situation and what you want to capture. And since these have motion tracking, they follow the subject. You just need to make sure you click the setting in both cameras. We set the motion detection to human recognition, where it knows it's me, human detection, so it will detect strangers, and pet. We like pet to see the local cats and foxes. There are settings for streaming quality and recording quality. We set the streaming quality to auto, so if our network struggles, the app can adjust to maintain playback to the phone. This has no impact, however, on recording. To get the best recording quality, be sure to set each camera to Ultra 4K resolution. The HomeBase stores recorded motion events. You can pull them up in the Event tab, and even filter them by camera, detection type, and so on. and of course, download them to your phone. We recorded me walking back and forth from our gate to the other side of our backyard. I did this in the daytime and twice at night. For night vision, there are 3 modes. Spotlight, where the camera lights come on when motion is detected and you see in color. Infrared, where the lights stay off, but the infrared lights come on and you see in black and white. And disabled, which leaves both off. All 3 tests show me getting detected early as I approach the gate side camera. But while the infrared video shows the gate camera followed me completely, the daytime and spotlight test quit just after I went past. Keep in mind the gate side camera is at a shallow angle, which may be impacting how well it follows. Once I rounded the corner, the SoloCam E42 mounted on our arbor started tracking. Basically, it picked me up where the other camera left off, and then it follows me fully from one side to the other. Here I approached the camera at a larger angle, and the camera was able to track from approach through departure. On return, the cams picked me up right away. Though recall, I have the cams looking in the direction of our gate, so until I'm in the field of view, they can't see me. For some reason, for this sequence, the daytime tracking on the arbor cam cut out early, and the night modes kept tracking. I tested this cutout a few times with varying results, though most times it completed, so not exactly sure why it cut out. What we noticed is the camera sometimes cut short the recordings, though captured enough of the sequence to understand the action. As for night vision, you can decide which mode will work best for your environment. Overall, I like this setup, as having 2 cameras in the kit can provide good coverage. Thank you for watching.